Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today I'll be making some baked pork chops. Okay, so I started seasoning them. I used adobo, garlic, black pepper, and sazon. Now I'm just mixing everything in really well. Then I'm going to get the pan, put it in a pan. Then I'm going to start cutting up my onions and peppers. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Once I was done cutting the onion up, I'm just going to be putting it on top. And then I'm going to cut the green pepper up and put it on top. So while I was cutting the green pepper up, I was thinking about putting some small potatoes in. So you're going to see I'm going to cut up the potatoes and add them in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I post more videos. Okay, so after I add the potatoes on top, I'm just going to add some more seasoning on top of the potatoes. And then I'm going to be adding butter in the pan and put it in the oven. Okay, I'm going to show you how it look right now. And then after I put it in the oven, this is how it look. Wow, doesn't that look really good?